what additional things you have added, what is the additional values that you have added. Second, पढ़ाई सब अपनी जगह, लेकिन लगातार लगे रहना, it's one of the very crucial thing in our life. लगातार if we don't be perseverant, see one of the main key ingredient of success is be perseverant. आप रोज करना, because whenever it comes to discipline it becomes very difficult. मैं अगर आपको बोलूँ 30 मिनट पढ़ना, is it difficult or easy? 30 मिनट पढ़ना is easy, right? But if I say रोज 30 मिनट पढ़ना, then it becomes difficult. Because the moment that word daily comes, the moment the word that perseverance comes, it becomes difficult, right? So one thing, you have to be perseverant. Whatever you are doing, कम कर लो, लेकिन रोज करो, लगातार. You have to keep hammering. The moment you will keep hammer, at one day the doors will break and the opportunities will come to you. Second, always be curious and courageous. Be curious in asking the question. In the last 8 days, I was waiting for you guys to come in the break to ask the question, but only few of have you appeared, right? To ask the question. Don't be shy. Ask the question to your teacher, right? Because if you will be curious, you will learn the things. But if you will shy, कि कौन पूछेगा, सर क्या सोचेंगे, वो क्या, जिसको जो सोचना है सोचे भाई. हमारे को नहीं समझ में आया, आपको पूछना है. I never go out in the break. I am always here only, but only few of you have appeared on that. So hardly on first or second day. After that, not appeared anyone. So that only happens. ये तभी होता है, या तो आपको सब समझ में आया या कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. There's only two possibilities when you don't have the doubt. So be curious, ask the question, and be courageous in taking decisions. And whatever decision you take, don't worry about that. Once you have taken the decision, make sure that you are giving your best to make it right. क्योंकि कोई decision सही गलत होता ही नहीं. वो समय बताएगा कि वो सही था कि गलत था, right? उस टाइम पे कोई नहीं बताएगा. और वो समय सही ठहराओगे, गलत ठहराओगे, it totally depends on you. How you work on that. So you came here. That was maybe a destiny, but from where you will go from here, what height you will achieve, it's you who is going to decide. So be courageous in that. You have taken a decision, take a responsibility. Now, whatever the small decision that you take, it will have a huge impact in your life down the line, 10 years, 20 years. Right now you can't see that, but it is going to have a huge impact. वो छोटी छोटी चीज है. आज कॉरिडोर में बैठ के बातें करना, गप्पे, मैं नहीं करूँ खराब है, ये सब भी करना है, ये बहुत जरूरी है. हम क्या खाली पढ़ने के लिए पैदा हुए? नहीं. हमें क्या नई नई चीजें सीखने के लिए पैदा हुए? नहीं. यू हैव टू एंजॉय ऑल्सो, रोम अराउंड, सी द वर्ल्ड, गो एवरीवेयर, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर करियर. बट दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रेविटी कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे लिए, क्या नहीं. गप्पे मारना भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? बिकॉज एट द एंड वी आर ह्यूमन, नॉट मशीन. वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू एंजॉय, वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू लर्न, बट everything has to be in a certain boundaries, not at the cost to going to the extreme. Because I have seen, when I say that this topic is very important, guys, give me 5 minutes, I see that 90% of you become very attentive, but 0.1 or maybe 2% also sometimes. जब मैंने ऐसा बोला ना, जैसे कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन कोई 2 बच्चे होते जो उठ के जा रहे होते उसी टाइम. पर रुक जाओ ना भाई, इतना क्या अर्जेंट है? जब किसी ने बोल दिया यार 5 मिनट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, what is so important is going out there. We need to understand that. I totally agree that you may have some important work, but if someone is saying it's very important, it's just 5 minutes, give me 5 minutes, I will give you 1 mark, then we need to understand, yeah, what is important for us. Is it the guy who is waiting outside? Is it the tea, washroom, or whatever it is it waiting for us? So it's more important that? No, it's more important. So think wisely while opting for anything. Be curious and be courageous, be perseverant. And lastly, always try to be excellent. There is always an opportunity to be better. See, whoever is standing here, there is one very simple saying in Hindi, the water and the knowledge always flow from the higher end to the lower end. ज्ञान और पानी का प्रवाह हमेशा ऊपर से नीचे ही होता है. The moment you start thinking that your teacher does not know more than you, the knowledge can never flow. I understand that there is many language barriers are there when you go to these classes also, not this classes but your routine classes. You may have some language barrier. You might think यार इनको कुछ नहीं आता यार, टाइम पास करते, पीपीटी चलाते कुछ. अगर हमने ये सोच लिया नहीं आता ना, तो you can't learn anything out of that. लेकिन the moment you start thinking नहीं, इसको कुछ तो मेरे से ज़्यादा आता है, maybe 0.1%, he is better than me, at least in this topic. then you will start learning out of that. Because बैठना तो वैसे ही है ना यार वहाँ पे, you have to sit for 2 hours. Rather you scroll on Instagram, you watch movies, you listen to music. बैठना तो 2 घंटे है ना वहाँ पे. जब बैठने के तो कुछ सीख ही लो फिर तो. फिर क्यों, फिर क्या बात है, फिर बाहर जाके फिर घूमो फिर भले. So once you are there, try to be excellent. Always and try to be excellent, because that is again a very important trait that you have to develop. Because जब तक हम सीखने की ललक नहीं होगी ना, because the moment you start thinking that we are at the top level, we are the best, then you can never improve. There is always a scope of improvement is there. And this is not what I am saying to you. Whenever I was having any doubt or anything, I used to ask him, and this is what he always told to me, that always be curious, be courageous. Whatever decision you take, I tell you 2 instances. One, when I left the PSM on 27th of October, if you remember the 5 lakh drafts I have given, I took out my debt. उस दिन डर मेरे को भी लग रहा था. When the man told me, you take a medical, उस दिन मेरे भी मन में आया कि let's take a medical. If not, I will get a degree of PSM. At least I have already invested 1.75 years, 2 years. एक ही साल की बात है, डिग्री मिल जाएगी. But now I see that decision that was taken, it went into my favor, because on that day I थोड़ा सा बोल्ड हो गया, होगा जो देखेंगे, जो होगा देखेंगे. If you don't have a second option, if you don't have plan B, always the plan A works. But the moment you start having plan B, the plan A never works. So never ever have the plan B. Always go for a single thought. ये होना है, ये होके रहेगा. ये पाना है, ये मिल के रहेगा. I'm very strong follower of law of attraction, right? And this is one point that I have felt there. Then one more thing. Today, what we can see is only today or maybe just near future. But if you go few years ahead and I turn back and I look my journey, what I find is many of the times I was feeling very bad, right? उस दिन मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा था, लेकिन आज जब मैं मुड़ के देखता हूँ यार मुझे लगा सही हुआ था उस दिन. For example, where I was teaching biochemistry, that guy was not giving me medicine. अगर उसने दे दिया होता medicine मेरे को, I would not have went to other institute. I would not have a bigger name, a bigger place, more money. So it all happens for good. उस दिन if maybe many so things are there, right? So it's all happens for a good. You came here, it has something is there for that, but वो हमें figure out करना होगा what is that good. And why I'm saying is because whenever in everyone's life there are some mentors out there whom you contact, whom you touch whenever you are in dilemma. We all are human, we are having this problem, and this is what I am not telling to you. This he always tells to me that whenever you are having any problem, I used to talk to him, and this is how he guided us, and this is why I am telling you the same things, just giving his thoughts to you. And we all know him, and this is when the things happen, and this is not my word. So be curious, be courageous, and always be persistent. That is the, I feel, one single important thing. The most important thing is be excellent. And so be persistent, be continuous. Whether it is 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, get a defined time. That is for you. That time no one can steal from you. Your best friend, girlfriend, father-in-law, mother-in-law, no one. That 1 hour, that 2 hour, whatever you define, that 11 to 12 in the midnight is my time for my self-improvement. My mobile will not be there, nothing will be there. It is for my self-improvement, and do it for every day. You will see the change. May not be today, may not be after 6 months, may not be after 1 year, but the change will be huge. It will be maybe after 3 years. But the problem is, because we don't get the instant reward, we stop doing the things. हमें तुरंत मजा नहीं आता ना जिस चीज में हम बंद कर देते उसको करना, because we want instant result, we want instant gratification. Come out of that world of instant gratification. Think little big, think foresighted. 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 1 year planning, and then the things will happen, right? It was always wonderful here on this stage, because this is the first stage when I came. It's not first for me, but for first in Kyrgyzstan for me. This hall is always very close to my heart. There's a lot of emotions are there, and you guys make it more special. Every time I come, I understand at first year level, to make you understand Wilson, to make you understand hemochromatosis, translation, I could have gone very superficial also, right? But I feel that I have sensed that palpated that no, you guys have that the fire in the belly, that no, we want to learn that, and that is why in the first year in the morning 10 a.m. you are coming to the class, sitting here, and if you were forced to come here, only just by force you were coming, you must be talking here and there, you must be disturbing here and there, but you were not doing. I have this is one of the experience that मेरे को आपको एक भी बार ये नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा चुप हो जाओ. Please don't disturb. Please don't do that. This is a very commendable thing as a teacher for me that you guys have made it so disciplined, right? And you were answering the question and very attentively listening the questions and writing the notes. But this all will work if you revise, because down the line after 7 days, right? Anatomy class on 30th, 31st you are starting anatomy. So these 4-5 days use this workbook. Just flip the pages. रटना नहीं है, खाली ऐसे पढ़ो, एक बार पढ़ो, फिर 2 बार पढ़ो, फिर एक बार और पढ़ेंगे. 4th, 5th time automatically you will start remembering. You will start connecting the concepts from here to there, here to there. Today may they look scattered, but after 4-5 reading it will start filling into the places and the things will start happening. Wish you all the very best and बाकी तो मिलते रहेंगे. मैं आता रहता हूँ यहाँ पे. And this seniors के लिए medicine पढ़ाने will again plan and will come soon. Will do the things. And